Hi guys, nice day. Today I'm going to laser engrave these metals, stainless steel. I will try different colors and different aluminum, iron, copper. This small laser engraving machine is equipped with a convenient lifting device, which is very friendly to this fixed focus laser. Focusing column assist. Quick focus. First, click the preview button. The engraving position is correct. Then click the start button. The first one to be engraved is this stainless steel. Obviously, this kind is easy to be engraved. The software is Engraver Master. You can download from the website, and the engraving speed is set to 600 mm per minute. The laser power is 100%. The size of this image is 15.1 by 16.2 mm. Finished. What do you think of the engraving effect? The next one is golden plated stainless steel mirror material, engraving dark text. Finished in a few minutes. How's that? Is it okay? I will give it to my friend's puppy. Let's continue. Next, black stainless steel. Almost all customers have feedback that the engraving effects of all kinds of stainless steel are very good. This 15-watt engraving machine is worth buying. Etching company has been producing this kind of small laser engraving machine since 2015. The quality is credible. Let's watch the engraving effect of blue stainless steel. This effect exceeded my expectation. I'll say this is a big surprise. Panda and bamboo, so cute. Then I started to carve these 4 types of aluminum, silver and black. This silver one is difficult to engrave. At first I tried the speed 540 mm per minute, but it couldn't engrave at all. Then I tried the speed 200 mm per minute. It was able to engrave, but not clearly enough. The engraving effect of black is great. This is plated iron. This kind of iron is easy to engrave. Not good. The engraving speed can be set faster. When wipe it with finger, there will be black powder. I set the speed to 1500. The engraving effect is very good. The last one I engraved is copper. I tried it several times. Can't engrave. This is iron. Like to share interesting DIY device. If you have a better DIY idea, please leave a comment and let me know.